gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing Dior unboxing, as you can tell from the title. So my birthday was in November and I got few gifts from my husband, and if you guys are interested to see what I picked up as my birthday gift, please keep watching. Alright, so my gifts are in this Dior bag and I will show you guys what I picked up. And the very first thing is in this beautiful wrapped box. I don't even want to open it, it's just so beautifully wrapped. So there you go. And as you can see, it's a pair of earrings. I was a little bit confused. I narrowed it down to few pairs, and then because here in Australia you actually cannot try the earrings, so they will actually put it kind of like on a plastic stick and then you can kind of like try it to see how it looks. I picked up these beautiful CD logo earrings and they are just so beautiful. I am in love. I just love them. And this is what they look like. Actually, is I actually wear it so I can show you guys. Is what the CD logo looks like. I just love it. They are like, you can dress them up, you can dress them down. Not everybody can tell that they are from Dior. So yeah, they are just beautiful and I just love them. They are really simple and really beautiful. So this is my first present that I picked up. Alright guys, so I just thought I'll give you a close-up. So this is what the earrings looks like. I'm just in love. They are so beautiful. So yeah, so these are my new pair of earrings, and the ring that I was showing it to you guys. So this is the Swarovski ring and I just love it. Second thing I picked up, I wanted it for a very long time as well, and this is what the box looks like. I'm actually going to remove the ribbon like that, so because I don't want to ruin it, because then I don't know how to pack it. So, and can you guys guess what it is? Right. And then we got the Dior dust bag, and we have a belt from Dior. This is the belt I picked up. I just realized it now that the logo of my earring and the belt is same. So this is, if it'll focus, this is what the belt looks like. It's a reversible belt, black and white on this side, and this one is 80 centimeters. This is 80 centimeters. I tried the 75. I felt like that was a little bit too short, so I tried the 80 centimeter, but I was wearing high-waisted pant on that day. I was wanted to go with 85, but not come with the loop. So yeah, you have to get like loop made by, probably like have to go to a leather shop, a shoe shop. They will be probably able to make one for you, but then will it be the same color and all that? That's a completely different story. So I picked up the 80 centimeter one and it sits really nice as well. And if I was going with 85, the belt was hanging a little bit, so I didn't like that. So yeah, I went with the 81. So this is what the belt look like, and I will actually leave the link of both of these items in the description bar. The sale associate Sammy, she was really lovely. She was so helpful. She's really funny. Like, we actually talked for 45 minutes, like random stuff. So that was good. And then she put this magazine in as well, and she's like, yeah, just don't go crazy because it has like really beautiful, you know, bags and all that in here. So alright guys, so that's it for my Dior unboxing. So these are the two items I picked up. The next thing on my wish list is a pair of shoes from Dior. I will actually leave a picture up here. I'm not sure if I want to buy the heel or if I want to buy the flat ones. I don't know. And then another thing I have on my wish list is a bag from Dior. So I don't know when that'll happen, but I would really like to have a bag from Dior. So I will pop a picture of a couple of bags to show you guys which one are on my wish list. So I don't know when I will be buying the bag and the shoes, but that's all for today's video. I hope you guys like it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and please stay happy, stay safe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye my gorgeous.